Today, the United States remains the most dominant naval power the world has because of what those ships carry inside. Missiles that chase their targets across the ocean. There is literally no escape. The American naval arsenal isn't just more of the same means to control the seas. In this video, you're going to learn about the 8 most powerful. By the time you reach the end, you'll understand why no navy in the world dares to open D5. Imagine a missile fired from a submarine in the middle of the ocean, sea of under 90 meters. That is exactly the Trident II D5. Trident II can carry up to 8 independent nuclear warheads, capable of separating. A single Ohio-class submarine can carry 24 of them. Do the math. But 190 consecutive test launches without a single failure. No other silently patrolling the depths with these missiles ready to fire. The Trident II D5 weapons, the United States always has the final word. Number 7. Probably picture torpedoes and stealth, but the Ohio-class SSGN launching 154 Tomahawk missiles in a single mission. 100 born as nuclear weapon carriers, but following arms reduction treaties they were converted. They can silently approach any coastline, remain submerged for weeks. And that's not all. Each SSGN can transport up to 66 nations, all in the same hull. It's the kind of weapon that doesn't just destroy targets. There it is. Number 6. Helios laser. This is where on actual US Navy destroyers, and what it does is as simple as it is terror drones, disabling enemy sensors, and destroying small vessels. There's no reaction time. What the Helios targets, the Helios destroys, but only 0. A conventional missile can cost millions of dollars. The unlimited ammunition. This completely transforms the economic equation and more explosions. It's silent light that arrives without warning. And WS. What if a supersonic missile manages to break through all the defense built for? And it is literally the last line between your vessel and disaster. Action time that the human brain simply cannot match. Its rotary cannon fire that no missile can penetrate. And it does it entirely on its own. Known service for decades, has been exported to more than 24 countries, and brutally effective. When the phalanx opens fire, there is no martyr. It has always worked. Number 4. SM-6. The SM, and that's not an exaggeration. Originally designed for long-range air defense, it can shoot down aircraft, intercept cruise missiles, destroy ballistic for 4 completely different missions. With a range of over 240 km from systems already installed on American destroyers and cruisers. No modification is the uncertainty it creates. They never know which mission the ship carries. Lethal advantage. Number 3. Mark 48. Where silence is everything, the Mark 48 torpedo is the ultimate predator to its target using wire guidance combined with active and passive sonar. Course, and it arrives. It travels at over 55 knots, and it's craft carrier. The most advanced version, known as ADCAP, is in deep water and in shallow coastal areas, where torpedoes have historically. It isn't just the most lethal torpedo in the world. It is the message no strike missile. The Naval Strike Missile is the kind of weapon that keeps enemy naval flies at low altitude following the terrain profile, making it extremely difficult to detect. It's already too late. But what's truly unsettling is its built-in intelligence, capable of identifying the exact type of ship it wants to attack and aiming direct. It's looking for the exact point where it will cause the most damage. With a range of SM is being deployed on America's new littoral combat ships. Stealthy, total advantage before the enemy has had a chance to react. Number 1. We have to be straightforward. It's not the most spectacular weapon on this list. It's the most reliable and most dominant naval gun that has spent decades redefining equips virtually every destroyer and cruiser in the US Navy. It can bombard port-to-ground troops and defend the ship against small vessels and aircraft. Long-range munitions currently in development, that range could exceed 100 kilometers. It's the sum of decades of reliability proven in real combat. The Mk-45 is not just one weapon, it is the backup. And there you have it. The 8 most powerful and mind-blowing naval weapons, 190 tests, and not a single failure to lasers that fire at the speed of light. Of decades of investment in technology that no other navy in the world can yet match. What they're developing in secret right now. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and